So guys, let's try to invent a bed here. So we are going to be putting a bed here, and you see the present everything showing on my screen right now at the home page. So you see everything. So for you to add a bed here, you have to come over to this your bag. Just come there. So once you come there, you have to go over to this egg section. So just check if you're having egg. You see I'm having egg here. I'll just click on the egg, then I'll click on this hash button. So I'll click on hash. I want to hash the egg into a bed. So you see the bed here, the spiral bed. Then I'll just click on check for inventory. So the bed has been added here already. Then I have to click on the bed. So once I click on the bed, I need to click on this feed. So I need to feed the bed. I'm having two of these. I'll just use the two. So I've already fed. So I already fed the bed already. So this is the bed now. I'll just click on this start on. So you see your bed is hunting already. You can just go back to the screen. So let's wait for the image to be generated here. The bed has already started hunting. What the bed does is that it helps you to collect seed. So once the seed has been mined, it helps you to gather it every day. Then it helps you to find worms, common and uncommon worms, and also new special items arriving. So these are the features the bed is going to be helping you with. Okay, so you see the image here, the bed has been generated. So the bed is already hunting. So this is how to hatch your bed to help you with any fast. So once you're having any worm like that, so you can just go to feed the bed.